Hey guys, my name's Dave, this is Custom Spray Mods, and I just wanted to share with you a little bit of information about this spray gun. It's a Warwick spray gun, a 904H. This is a HVLP 1.3mm nozzle, and I've been using this for about a month now, and I find it pretty damn good. The way it applies base coat is amazing. It's got a really nice big fan that really puts it down nice and even. So yeah, I just thought, if you guys are looking for a new spray gun, the Warwick spray guns are a really good option. They're cost effective, they've got nice good quality products, and it's going to last you for a while and spray really good. They are easy to clean. It's got a nice big steel pot. You can fit almost like 800 mils of product in there. It's got a awesome lid, which most guns I've used have a screw-on lid. This lid, it's actually heaps easier to clean, and there's less chance of this little hole getting blocked. That can be a problem for beginners. Yeah, it's a good gun. Yeah, like I said, easy to clean. The adjustments are really good. I definitely recommend it for base coat and clear coat. I normally use about 30 psi, but if you've got a good HVLP setup, you can run it down at about 10 psi and still get an awesome finish. Yeah, I really like that. This gun puts heaps of product on the job, so it's great for clear coat as well. You can do just 2 coats and you're done. Get a nice even fan, nice spray pattern, and yeah, I reckon it's a good gun. Now the mini HVLP Warwick mini gun is also an awesome mini gun. It's probably the best one I've used to date. I've been using the mini gun. The way it puts down the base coat is really good, but I'm even more impressed about how good it puts down clear coat. Just gets a lot of product on the job, especially for a mini gun. So if you are looking for a mini gun just for small parts, small little projects, the Warwick 878S HVLP mini gun, it's a great option, especially if you just want to get one gun for small little jobs. The way it puts down base coat is amazing. The way it puts down clear coat is even better, especially 2K clears. So yeah, when you get a chance, head over to the Warwick website. I'll chuck a link in the description that'll give you a little bit of discount if you purchase it using that link. It should help you get an awesome finish on your next project.